if you are earning from Instagram, Tube, or TikTok in Dubai, you might be doing it illegally without even knowing it. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand everything about the influencer license in UAE. What is it? Who needs it? How to get it? And most important, how to stay compliant and avoid heavy fines. What is an influencer license? See, an influencer license is a government-approved permission required in UAE if you are doing paid promotions, posting sponsored content, collaborating with brands, earning via ads, affiliate links, or gifts. In simple terms, it is basically a legal permit that allows you to earn money from social media content like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. So if you're making money from any of these social media platforms in UAE, you need this license. When was influencer license introduced in UAE? In 2018, influencer license was first introduced, and in 2025, new media law plus advertiser permit was launched. In 2026, permit was made mandatory for all. In short, influencer licensing in UAE is not new. It started in 2018 and became stricter and more structured in 2025-26. But why is it required? The UAE government introduced this to regulate influencer marketing, ensure transparency and trust, and prevent misleading ads, treat influencing as a professional business activity. So the important question is, who actually needs it? You need an influencer license if you are a content creator or influencer, you promote brands even for free gifts or barter, run ads or collaborations, you are a freelancer or agency doing social media promotions, even micro-influencers need it. The important rule as per latest update is that you must have an advertiser permit to post promotional content. Without it, you can face heavy fines up to 1 million dirhams. Yes, but there are few exceptions also. You don't need it if you are not earning money or you are only promoting your own business, not others. If you're posting reels for fun on Instagram, then you don't need it. The bottom line is, influencer license is a legal permission to monetize your content in Dubai if you plan to grow your Instagram, YouTube into income in UAE. This is mandatory compliance, not an option. Now, what are the ways of getting influencer license? You need to first decide how you want to operate. You have two options. First option, as an individual freelancer, which is best for solo creators, Instagram influencers, and it's a low cost, no office needed case. Whereas in option B, which is as a company, it is best if you plan to run an agency, scale business, hire a team. Once you have decided that how you really want to operate, the second step would be to get the trade license. Now let's first understand getting the license as an individual. There is an option of e-trader license which is issued by Dubai Economic Department, DED, and it's a very low cost license for individuals to legally earn from social media or online activities. In simple terms, it allows you to run a one-person online business using Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or a website. It is specifically designed for freelancers, influencers, home-based businesses, and solo entrepreneurs. What does professional mean here? There are two types of activities. One is professional, second is commercial. Professional means service-based. This is like what most of the influencers, creators fall under. You can promote brands, offer content creation services, do social media marketing, freelance consulting, coaching, design, etc. And hence it is called professional license because you're providing a service. Second is commercial, which is product based. So selling products, clothes, jewelry, etc. You can run Instagram shop. But if you want to do commercial, then do check because Instagram shopping is restricted for certain nationalities. What are the key features which are very important? You can work from home, no office needed, licenses in your personal name, it is a solo license, and you can use Instagram and social media legally. You can earn money online and this will cost you like 1100 dirhams a year. There are certain limitations as well. You cannot have employees, no visa sponsorships, no physical shop, limited activities, especially for expats, and mostly for small scale and solo businesses. What all you can do with this e-trader professional license: you can run an Instagram page, YouTube channels, you can do paid collaborations, you can provide influencer services, sell digital services, build personal brand. It's basically your legal entry into monetizing social media in Dubai. But now, if you want to do it not as an individual but as a company, then there are some popular free zones which provide this influencer license, like Maidan Free Zone, Ibza Free Zone, Dubai Media City. And you can choose activities like social media influencer, advertising, marketing services, and content creation. The documents required for getting the license as a company would be the passport copy, visa if applicable, passport photo, and the cost can be anywhere between 5 to 12,000 dirhams a year. Most important, which most of the people miss, is e-trader license alone is not enough. If you want to or are already doing paid promotions, brand collaborations, you also need advertiser permit from UAE Media Council. So here you need to understand the difference. E-trader license is a legal business identity, whereas advertiser permit is a legal permission to promote. Once you have got your business license, either as a solo individual or as a company, the next step would be to apply for advertiser permit, that is influencer permit. Once you have the trade license, apply for the permit from UAE Media Council. The process of applying is also very simple. Usually when you get the license, even they themselves, the authorities, also apply on your behalf, and they'll provide you with a reference number and you can track the progress on your application through that. Otherwise, if you yourself want to apply, go to Media Council portal, submit the trade license, Emirates ID, passport copy, share the social media account details, share as many social media accounts you would be wanting to utilize for promotion, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, wherever you think you are going to utilize for the promotion, share all the links. Pay fee if applicable. Usually it's free for initial 3 years, and after that they will start charging you 1000 dirham per year for the advertiser permit. Important rule here is you cannot legally do paid promotions without this permit. So please don't skip this. This will allow you to do paid posts, brand collaborations, affiliate marketing, promotions, barter deals. Next step would be, which is an optional step, to open a bank account. It is recommended. If you are opening a company license, then you better open a proper company account to help receive payments from the brands. This will make you look more professional. Common mistakes to avoid: posting ads without permit, using personal account for paid promos without license, not declaring paid partnerships, ignoring renewal deadlines. Just don't do these mistakes. And before I leave, I would like to also give you pro tips for a smart cost strategy. If you're a beginner, if you're just starting, then start with a freelancer license, which is the cheapest. You can get this license from DED and you don't need office, no visa initially, upgrade later. When you earn consistently, you need a team scaling. That is when you can go with the proper company license. Renew your license yearly. Don't promote banned products. Keep contracts and invoices for safety or reference purposes in future. You might be wondering that how much time all this process can take. You know what? Getting the influencer, the e-trader license, if you're applying as a solo, as an individual, is like within 2 to 3 days you get it. You can go to any DD cafe and just apply for it. The second step is to get advertiser permit. It depends on person to person. For few people, it's really quick. Some people manage to get it within a week, but some people it can take 1 or 2 months time also. So you have to keep following up, and if for any reason you are not seeing any update happening, you have the option of calling to their customer care or write an email to them, and you will definitely get a response from them. UAE Media Council is very responsive in whether you write email or you call them, they will definitely assist you. So that's about influencer license and advertiser permit, guys. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and also do share this with anyone who's into this content creation in social media. See you in the next video next week. Till then, take care and bye-bye.